how to make a simple birthday card. First, you need to fold the paper in half. Yes. To the sides that equal, and then you can fold. Then you make the design in the middle. Then you draw the line. Then you decide to draw the front color.
Okay, thank you for sharing your ideas, Asher.
Do you want me to show you how to make the front cover?
Sure.
Okay. First, you draw a heart.
Oh, draw a heart.
Then you draw two other hearts.
Wow, 2 hearts. Is it?
Like this. Then you color the inside of both pink hearts. Don't color the green heart yet.
Why you choose pink?
Because pink equals love.
Oh, pink is both love.
Then you use yellow to color the outside of the green heart.
So why you choose yellow color?
Because it's bright.
Bright. Wow, so nice. It says, I love you.
Yeah.
Or is that, you made that for who?
Tita.
Wow. But cannot notice already the you. This is